Whoa, what was that? Did you see that animal? Dude, I just can't see. Oh. I think I broke the phone mount. Now the bike is on top of me. Way outside. What's good though? Hopefully everything is good and we are good and we are alive. It's wet everywhere, man. God, it's sloppy in here. And these were all not here the other day. So much rain the last 2 days. Whoa, what was that? Did you see that animal? What was that? Oh, it's right there. What is it? What is it? I see it. I saw its eyes glowing. This has got to get taken care of. Reverse is like so weird to get used to. It's not easy to balance. Like the torque going backwards is just so weird. It's not gonna be a very long stream because even though I have my headlamp on, it's still not enough to do real nighttime riding, especially on a Varg. Ooh, slippy rocks. God, everything's just soaked. Yeah, we can't go in here right now. Wet and dark. Sucks. Can you guys even see anything right now with the headlamp? Yeah, it's just dark. That sucks right now. Oh, we just missed the sun. Yeah, this is all sloppy too. Too dark. God, this sucks at night with no good light and when it's all wet. Yeah, that's as bright as my light goes. Dang it, dude. This does nothing for me. I need a real headlight or just never night ride. I'll go down here a little bit further though. God, it's so hard to see. I bought just a random like handlebar light off Amazon. Hopefully it's gonna be bright enough. I'm not really like trying to do too much night riding no matter what. I'm not gonna get as bright of a light as I have on my Surron. Dude, I just can't see. Oh. Dude, I just can't see. Oh. Dude, see, that's why I can't see. The fucking goddamn sticks, man. The phone all right? That's what I get for going out at night, I guess. I can't see. Dude. Yeah, I'm fine. It's the fucking bike now. I have handguards coming tomorrow, too. No, it's fine, dude. Oh, did I break the phone mount, too? Oh, no. Am I putting it in the wrong way? I think I broke the phone mount. Gotta get a new one of those now. That's what I get, I guess. I think everything else is fine. Can't tell if my front brake is good. Rear brake's good. Dang. So I gotta just put it in my pocket. It's so stupid, dude. It just kind of came out of nowhere. I didn't have a chance to like pop it. Kind of just ran into it. And it was too high off the ground. And the bars are twisted now. Where's the fucking right trail to get me out of here now? Can't even fucking see. Well, these are the end of the Varg streams for a while, boys. Because I just crashed it and broke a bunch of stuff. Oh my God, it's got steep. So wet. No fucking traction right now. Yep, this way. So I'm a fucking dumb idiot for coming out here right now. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, dude. So fucking stupid I am. God damn it, dude, it's so This is bad. This is bad. On a fucking hill, soaking wet. Goddamn, just can't turn around. Whiskey. Now the bike is on top of me. I don't think I'm meant to own this bike.